Hello ladies and gentlemen. This is Ashley from expackuniversity.com. And today, in this video, I'm gonna talk about a relationship problem. How to make him love you again. If you're new to this channel, welcome to go through the content of this video. Make sure you give me a thumb up. And please also visit the resources section below and get the free report guide we recommended. And subscribe to this channel for future videos. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Men are a mystery. Like who built the pyramids? No one knows. If you're wondering what would make a guy or a dude fall madly in love with you, just take a look at these 7 tips that will trap him in a trap made out of love. Tip number 1. Make him a snack after sex. Men love sex and men love snacks. That's right. Immediately after sex, dash to the kitchen. You read that right, goddess. Once he's pulled out, combat roll out of bed and haul ass to Snackberg. It has to be a gourmet snack. Bacon-wrapped scallops with cream sauce and roasted Brussels sprouts with a side of chicken fingers will do in a pinch. Tip number 2. Brag about him to your friends, your family, coworkers. Tell the world that he's a Dr. Prince who writes spoken word poetry. Remember that a lie is the truth with a positive life attitude. Grab strangers by their shirts and yell, "I'm dating a successful man with a calm temperament who satisfies me sexually." This will make his ego swell like an infected wound. Tip number 3. Answer the door in a negligee. Better yet, answer the door naked. Better yet, answer the door without skin. Men love skeletons. Why do you think they're called boners? Tip number 4. Be open to what he wants to try in the bedroom. If he says you're Benjamin Franklin and I'm a space goat, just do it. If he wants to cry after prematurely ejaculating, just let him. Then make him a snack. But most importantly, be open to what he wants out of the bedroom. In general, just do what he says. Always. Because one way to make a man love you forever and ever is to pretend you're a living doll. Tip number 5. Allow him to solve your petty work squabbles. Everyone knows that women bicker, and men get their done. So let him chime in on whether or not accepting partnership at the firm will affect you. Pro bono work helping indigenous peoples negotiate with local, state, and federal government. Tip number 6. Treat his friends the way you treat your friends. Smile politely, laugh at their jokes, and let your hatred for them slowly consume you from the inside out. Like cancer. If you win over his former fraternity brothers, you'll win his heart. And once you have his heart, you can keep it locked in the trunk of your car. So make plenty of snacks in. When in doubt, just pretend you're a lamp. Tip number 7. Sit next to him quietly while he zones out in front of the TV. Sit next to him quietly while he plays Xbox. Sit next to him quietly, like a sphinx. Above are 7 tips you can use to make your man love you again. Hope you enjoy this video. If you got value from this video, please give me a thumb up. And if you like this video, don't forget to check out the resources below and get free report guide we recommended. And subscribe to this channel for future videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.